Thank you. Thank you. Welcome, everybody. I'm Tom Pitstick, the Chief Marketing Officer of Gates. Thanks for being here today for this really exciting news I have to share with you. I think, as everybody knows, we're a premium player in hydraulics and have been launching a bunch of new products, MXT, our whole Pro Series portfolio, a lot of new stuff coming down the pike. So I'm really excited to talk about our next new product. So everybody knows you can have the best coupling, the best hose in the world, but if you don't assemble them well, you've got problems. You've got leakage problems, potential safety problems, overall reliability problems with those assemblies in the field. So crimping is a really critical part of the process, which is why Gates also provides crimpers. So here we have the PC707, which has been around, Pat, how long?
1982.
1982, all right. So it's been around a while. The workhorse of the industry, there's roughly 40,000 of these that have been shipped from Gates over the years. So a ton of these in the field. But it needed an upgrade. You can see we've got the old-fashioned LED, some manual calibration dials, et cetera, on it. It really needed to be upgraded to the 21st century. So with that, I'd like to introduce something new to you all. So drum rolls, please. Here's the GC20 with Gates Cortex Intelligence. So as you can see, isn't it beautiful? So as you can see, we've modernized the interface. It's got a digital tablet with our Cortex app in it. Through this app, you can do a bunch of things. You can obviously crimp a hose. It's Bluetooth connected to the crimper. It's also Wi-Fi connected to the cloud, so you can get the latest e-crimp information. We can push training tutorials. We can push information about new products to users. So it's really a truly cloud-connected device. I'm going to walk through a quick demo on crimping a hose. First, I'm going to put on my safety glasses, and just to show you how easy this is. So I'm going to select favorites. Today my favorite is an MXT hose, a -8 hose. I'm going to press and hold the crimp button, and it's that simple. Right? You can select a favorite, press crimp, move on to your next crimp, and produce a very high quality assembly without a ton of training. There's also a number of ergonomic features. You saw how easy it was for me to select a favorite and perform a crimp. There's also an LED work light, a new die handle, and just an overall aesthetic that makes the device more welcoming and easier to use. The other thing to note about the GC20 is it is our entry-level baseline crimper. This is made for the masses. You'll find these in end users. You'll find them in farmers' machine sheds. You'll find them in distributors all over the country. It's the only real entry-level crimper on the market with these kinds of features, this kind of capability. It's very, very unique to Gates. So as I mentioned, there's something like 40,000 of these that have been deployed in the field over the years. Many of our existing users want to upgrade to this new technology without buying a complete new unit. So we've developed a retrofit kit to go with it. So it's really a simple install. It takes about 45 minutes, start to finish, to upgrade an existing PC707 to a new GC20 technology with Gates Cortex Intelligence. So one of the other great things is, I mentioned this is Wi-Fi connected, so you can download the latest crimp specs, download training tutorials, et cetera. But it also operates either in offline mode, or you can take the tablet to an area that's got Wi-Fi connectivity and update data that way. You can also update it via hotspot on your phone. So we'll be showcasing the GC20 at Apex in about a week and a half, 2 weeks. So that's the official pre-launch. We're taking pre-orders now in the US and Canada. We'll be shipping those units in the fourth quarter of this year. For more information on it, you can go to gates.com/GC20. We're really excited to have it launching, and thanks for your time today.